Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Camaro Convertible 2SS. This vehicle only has 28 miles on it, and Apple Chevy is offering almost $2,000 off MSRP for all of its customers. This vehicle has never been in any accidents. It is a rear-wheel drive vehicle that has a 6.2 liter V8 engine that comes with 20 by 9.5 inch wheels in the back and 20 by 8.5 inch wheels in the front. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose audio system, jet black leather seating, and when it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, cooling seating, heated seating, a heated steering wheel, and even cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.